much. Many stranded travelers, along with people with furnace problems, ending up in places like the Evans Center Fire Hall. 7 News reporter Christia Williams with more on the effort to help those who got stuck in the snow and those who just needed a place to stay warm.
But I've never experienced anything like this.
Meet Dee Marinov, a homeowner in Angola who recently had fears of freezing to death as her furnace went out due to the amount of snow on her roof.
When I realized that my the heat wasn't going on, and then I looked at the temperature and it was like 64 or something, and then I thought I have to call, and be able to get out of here.
And has since worried about.
I have 2 kitties there.
She tells me she soon made her way to the Evans Center Fire Hall, where warmth, water, and even a Thanksgiving meal donated by the Hilltop Baptist Church was provided.
And I mean, it made me feel safe. And there's, a lot of community support.
About 40 people stayed right here at the Evans Center Fire Hall Friday leading into Saturday morning. Now, after speaking with the Red Cross of Western New York, they tell me they're prepared to set up shelters in places just like this if the need were to arise.
As of now, it looks like we will be taking over sheltering operations at the Hamburg Senior Center.
The Red Cross also informed me that the Evans Center Fire Hall is on their list to support and create shelters. And this is their advice on how to remain safe.
One, I would stress to the community to listen to local officials. If we're saying stay off the road, because we want to make sure that emergency responders can get to where they need to get, that roads can be cleared.
And Marinov says we're not the city of good neighbors for nothing.
I mean, to know that you have this kind of support is really, really wonderful.
Christia Williams, 7 News, Angola.